To access CreditSaint Credit Education, start by visiting the CreditSaint website. Once you are on the website, click on the Education tab located at the top of the page. This tab will direct you to a variety of resources and tools designed to help you understand and manage your credit. The first step is to explore the Credit Education section, which includes articles, videos, and infographics on topics such as credit scores, credit reports, and credit repair. These resources are designed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of how credit works and how to improve your credit health. Next, take advantage of the credit tools and calculators available on the website. These tools can help you estimate your credit score, calculate your debt-to-income ratio, and determine how much you can afford to borrow. By using these tools, you can gain a better understanding of your financial situation and make informed decisions about your credit. Another key resource is the Credit Blog, which features articles and tips from credit experts. The blog covers topics such as credit card management, credit score optimization, and identity theft protection. By reading the blog, you can stay up to date on the latest credit trends and best practices. In addition to these resources, CreditSaint also offers a credit monitoring service that allows you to track your credit report and score in real time. This service can help you detect errors on your credit report, monitor your credit utilization, and receive alerts when changes are made to your credit profile. To get the most out of CreditSaint Credit Education, it is recommended that you create an account on the website. By creating an account, you can access personalized credit recommendations, track your progress, and receive customized advice on how to improve your credit. By following these steps and taking advantage of the resources and tools available on the CreditSaint website, you can gain a deeper understanding of credit and improve your overall financial health. Remember to always monitor your credit report and score. Make informed decisions about your credit, and seek help when needed.